Next addition we have is we have added 10 new shades to our Glimmer Satin Lipstick wardrobe. So we did have 20 shades, now we have 30. So half as many, again, shades, so 10 new shades. And the really cool thing about these shades, and what I think most people are going to be most excited about, these 10 shades are the top 10 selling shades of our old True Color lipstick. So you get the great new formula of the Glimmer Satin Lipstick, but you get these 10 top selling shades that were super popular in the old lipstick formula. So I picked up mine. My favorite color of the True Color lipstick happened to be one of these 10 best-selling shades, and it was known as the shade Delicate Date. The shades do have new colors. So this is now Morning Glory is the new name. I actually like Morning Glory a little bit better than Delicate Date, honestly, if we're going to be concerned with color names. But I do have all 10 shades in the little trial bullets to show. So we had Wine with Everything, which is now known as Eclipse. And I just want to be careful so I don't, there we go. So let's see, we'll start right here with Wine with Everything. And you can see it's a buildable medium to full coverage. So you can build your color there as far as the coverage. Then we have Peony Blush was the old shade. Aster is going to be the new shade. This is a nice kind of nude pink shade there. And again, you get that buildable color. We have got Cherry Jubilee, and this is the one, there are groups on Facebook where reps get together and look for products that maybe have been discontinued that they'd like to get more of, and this is the most requested color. And I know at one point in the 2000s, this was our best-selling color, and it looks very, very dark in the tube, but see, it's that beautiful cherry berry color. Easier to get a more full coverage with the actual lipstick. The samples are a little concave, so they don't do a full coverage stripe there, but still give you an idea of the color. Dragon Fruit Blush, that was one of our newer shades in the True Color, but it had become a top seller in the short time that it was available. The new shade in this one is going to be Tulip, and this is more of your kind of vivid hot pink kind of color. Really, really love that color. Gives you just that nice little bright springiness to your lip color. We've got, let's see, this is Constellation, which is the new version of the shade Sparkling Mauve, which was one that I definitely sold a lot of and was one that I wore myself quite often. And Sparkling Mauve was nice because you could put it on very, very sheer and then build it. And it's a fantastic nude color. It really is. Then we have, let's see, Delicate Date, which is the shade that I am wearing today. The new shade name is Morning Glory. And I'm going to put that on this side, I think. And you can see that's sort of a pinky brown. So another great, it's a great go-to everyday color for me. I really, really love it. It's very similar to the Birthday Balm in Surprise. So if you like that shade, but you want a more full coverage color, then this would be a good option. Next up, this was Cozy Mauve, was another one of those colors that had been around for a really, really long time. So the new shade is Plum Blossom. So this was kind of like a long time favorite. And it's just got that kind of classic pink lip. I really love that color. So these are some of the best colors from our old color collection. Desert Moon is the new shade name for Toasted Toasted Cashew. We have a couple nut related ones. So this is your softer, almost kind of peachy shade there. And then our other nut-related shade in the old shade names was Roasted Chestnut, which is now Equinox. And that's more Also one that I really liked. It's a little bit more of a warm version of the Delicate Date. So it's still that kind of nude neutral color, but it's a little bit warmer there. And then the last of the 10 new shades is the Brown Sugar, and the new shade name for this one is Twilight. And Brown Sugar was another one of those that shade has been around forever and was a super popular shade. So I know folks will be very excited to see that back. So that's the 10 new shades of our Glimmer Satin Lipstick. Some things that you might really like about this and why I like this better than the old True Color lipstick. It is very lightweight. It's very smooth and creamy. It has antioxidant pomegranate in it, so it's going to help protect the lips as well. And it is that buildable medium to full coverage with that soft satin finish. So it's a great everyday lipstick. And with 30 shades, you can really have some fun with it and really express yourself when in just about any outfit that you have. So really, really excited about those new colors.